Welcome to the AI Beat, your daily pulse on the people, platforms, and breakthroughs reshaping the future of data and intelligence. If you want these insights delivered straight to your inbox each morning, subscribe to the Daily Flash Trends newsletter and stay ahead of the curve. Let's dive into today's shift. Databricks is turning up the heat. The company just announced full integration of Claude Opus 4 and Sonnet 4 models from Anthropic into its data intelligence platform. What does that mean in practice? Teams can now build secure, enterprise-grade AI agents powered by their own data. No shadow models, no data leakage, full control. This is a clear move towards centralized, governed AI decision-making at scale. It's a major signal that large language models are no longer side experiments. They're becoming infrastructure. Meanwhile, Microsoft continues to push productivity boundaries. Its new standalone Copilot for Power BI is all about speed and clarity, especially for business users who struggle to find the right visual or that one elusive report. Instead of clicking through dashboards, users can now query their way through with conversational AI. It's not just search, it's precision access to the heartbeat of your business data. And while we're on accessibility, Cloudera just made a big move too. Their new AI-powered visualization tool is designed to democratize insights without compromising security. It bridges the gap between engineers and analysts, two roles that traditionally operate in silos. Now, teams can collaborate more fluidly across the data lifecycle, with clear visuals and built-in controls. This changes how teams share knowledge and align decisions. Education is also catching up with the AI curve. Semi-University, in collaboration with Purdue, has launched targeted AI and analytics courses for professionals in the semiconductor industry. This is more than skills training. It's about preparing a sector that fuels nearly every device in our lives to remain competitive and innovative. The signal here: no domain is exempt from the AI upskilling wave. Healthcare isn't being left behind either. Sigma Computing's new file column type might sound technical, but its impact is real. It lets teams link structured and unstructured data, opening the door for more intelligent healthcare workflows. Think clinical applications that pull from messy PDFs and clean databases in the same breath. This kind of integration accelerates everything from diagnostics to operations. In analytics, Strategy 1 introduced Autobot 2.0, built with agentic AI architecture. If you're unfamiliar, agentic AI means systems that can make decisions and adapt autonomously. This update lets users query and receive hyper-specific analytics tailored to business needs, all without writing custom code or waiting on a data team. It's a sign that automation is getting smarter and more strategic. At Computex 2025, hardware met intelligence. ASUS unveiled its AI Hub, built for autonomous enterprise AI deployment. From data pipelines to inference, the platform aims to make AI scalable and secure across industries. This isn't about future planning, it's about deployment-ready infrastructure that adapts to real-world needs. Also at Computex, Max Linear showed off Max AI, a voice-controlled router with built-in smart QoS optimization. What stands out isn't just the novelty, it's the user experience. Complex network tuning is now accessible through a simple voice command, putting advanced performance tools into the hands of everyday users. In other words, AI isn't just changing the enterprise, it's redefining the home office too. But amid the progress, the ethical questions grow louder. At GITEX Europe, global leaders tackled AI ethics and the rising risk of deepfakes. From governance to regulation, the event spotlighted how governments and enterprises alike are racing to build frameworks that can keep pace with technology. Responsible AI isn't optional anymore, it's foundational. And finally, Klarna took a bold step in corporate communication. The company's CEO avatar, powered by AI, presented their latest earnings report. Beyond the novelty, it underscores how AI is already transforming customer engagement, executive reach, and operational efficiency. Klarna's AI investments are credited with helping them hit 100 million users and boost profitability. Altogether, these stories reveal a clear direction. AI is no longer a siloed innovation. It's a full-stack transformation. From education and healthcare to networking and boardrooms, the tools are maturing, the guardrails are forming, and the expectations are rising. Which of today's trends signals the biggest shift for your work or industry? We'd love to hear your take. Stay informed, stay sharp, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the Daily Flash Trends newsletter so you never miss the momentum.